Most of us hate visiting the doctor, even for routine tests. Well then, what if the routine tests could be sent to us instead? Take, for example, the screening for the 13 known types of papillomavirus that cause almost all cervical cancers. Usually, these tests are done by a GP or a gynecologist in a clinical visit. It turns out that many women avoid these appointments either due to embarrassment or simply the difficulty of keeping to the appointment. With the help of home swab kits, much like those that we used during the COVID-19 pandemic, we now know that many more women will get screened. How can we say this for sure? Well, in a study led by Anita Lim at King's College London and Peter Sasieni at Queen Mary University London, more than 25,000 home swab kits were sent or given to women. And of those returned, more than half of them were from women who were more than 2 years overdue for their checkup. And the majority of these were from ethnic minority groups, highlighting the need for multiple approaches when dealing with sensitive topics among diverse populations. Australia, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Sweden already have self-screening programs. Hopefully, this data will provide the NHS, the National Health Service, with the data it needs to decide if it's going to move forward with such a program in the United Kingdom. Until next time, remember that between the question and the answer are all the really tasty bits.